I uploaded a new video 2 days ago. One of my faithful subscribers drew my attention to this channel, which has 32 million views with 50 videos uploaded in the space of 2 months. The most popular video on this channel alone has over 6 million views. Immediately I saw this, I got curious and wanted to know exactly how they create these videos.
Welcome to the Jungle Championship.
In this video, I will show you how to create this channel step by step. These videos take time to create, but if you watch this tutorial to the end, you will have the blueprint of how to start a channel like this. Like this video if you want me to make more cool stuff like this. Alright, so the first thing you need to do to create a video like this is to visit the Google Doc file that I've added in the video description below. There you're going to find the 2 prompts that I've generated for you. One prompt is to generate a story for you, while the second prompt is to generate your images. Okay, so now let's start with the first prompt. What you just need to do is copy it just like this, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt here, and click on Generate. Give ChatGPT some time to understand what you want, and immediately ChatGPT will immediately start writing you a very good script. Let me just quickly mention that the channel we are modeling is not using an AI-generated script. The person behind the channel is actually writing those stories themselves. So you need to put that into consideration when starting your own channel, whether you want to use AI or you want to write it yourself. Once ChatGPT is done writing the script, the next thing we need to do now is to generate our visuals. So what you just need to do is go back to the Google Doc file and copy the prompt to generate your images. Come back to ChatGPT, paste it here, and then ChatGPT will immediately give you a very nice prompt that you're going to use to generate all your images. As you can see here, I have over 20 prompts that I'm going to use to generate my images. Alright, so now that we have the prompt to generate our images, the next thing we are just going to do real quick is to also generate the prompt that we are going to use to convert these images into animation with dialogue in them. So basically what you just need to tell ChatGPT is, I want you to match them perfectly with Google VEO 3 animation prompts with good dialogue to keep it real. You can just put anything simple. I just had to write something like this because it's not actually a big deal. So immediately you put that, ChatGPT will also give you 22 prompts that you're going to use to convert the images into animation. Alright, so now we have the visual prompt and we also have the animation prompt. The next important step now is to generate the visuals and also generate the animation, and we are going to be using Hggsfield. You need to pay attention to the step-by-step process so you don't miss any important step. You can get a link to Hggsfield AI in the video description below. The first thing we are going to do now in Hggsfield is to generate our images first. And to do that, what you just simply need to do is move your mouse to Image here, and then you're going to see a bunch of features and models. What you just need to do is select the one you want. But my favorite one is Nano Banana Pro because it just gives me exactly what I want in 4K. So what you just need to do is click on it and then it's going to bring you to this page. Exactly as you can see, I've done a lot of generation. That was what I used in generating my videos, right? So what you just need to do now is to go back to ChatGPT, right? And copy your first prompt that you're going to use to generate your images. So this is it. Just copy it and then come back to Hggsfield. The first thing you need to do is make sure you paste the prompt you copied and then also select your aspect ratio. This is very important so you don't generate videos in YouTube Shorts. Make sure you choose 16:9 here. To get the best size, you can also increase the amount of images you want to generate in one prompt. But keep in mind that if you increase it, it's also going to increase the amount of credit you're going to use to generate that image. Alright, so when you're done with all that, you can just click on Generate and boom. As you can see, we have the first image here. So you pretty much just need to go back to the prompt to generate your images and make sure you copy all the prompts one after the other accordingly so you don't confuse yourself. Okay, so you come back, paste them here and click on Generate. So this is how you're going to do for all the prompts, and that's exactly what I did here. And that's why you're seeing I have a lot of generations here. So now that we have our images, it's time for us to convert these images into animation. And to do that, we are still going to be using Hggsfield. This is what you just need to do. You need to make sure you're starting from the first image you generated so you don't get confused when you're copying the prompt to generate your animation. I hope you understand what I mean. So now you go down to your animation prompt and then copy the first prompt. When you have the prompt, you go back to Hggsfield and click on the video icon here, where you're going to see Animate. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to the Create Video page. Here, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you paste that prompt, don't forget. And then immediately you come down to the model and change to the one you like. Specifically, I like using Kling for this kind of video because it just understands how to make it better. So just choose Kling and also make sure you turn on audio here. So that is going to make it have dialogue, sound effects, and all those cool stuff that is going to increase the video quality. Alright, so before you click on Generate, you still need to change a few settings like the duration. Choose the one you like. It depends on the scene. For me, I like going for 10 seconds, but it depends on the scene. Then aspect ratio is on automatic, so we're going to leave it like that. Then come down to Generate and click. Mind you, to generate your animation is going to cost you 20 credits. Here, Hggsfield is generating our animation, as you can see. It's done generating the animation. Let's quickly play it so you see how it looks.
Welcome to the Jungle Championship.
This is the exact step that channel showed you guys is using to generate their images. The most important thing in this niche is you need to have your own storyline because AI is not going to do all the work for you. In this niche, you need to add a little human effort in creating your script, so your visuals and animation will come out exactly how you want them. The steps I just showed you guys is the exact step that I use in generating all my images and animation. So now that we have the images converted into animation, it's time for us to download the clips into our PC so we can put the video together using CapCut. So this is what you just need to do. Just come to the video here and click on this download icon over here, and immediately your video is going to be downloaded to your PC. So just click on all the animation and make sure you download them into your device. Then open CapCut or any of your preferred editing software. Import all the clips into CapCut and drag them one by one accordingly into the timeline just like this. And boom, there's not much editing to do here. The video is ready. Let me show you guys the full video now.
Welcome to the Jungle Championship. Kovu! That's the reason! He's too fast! Kovu takes the win! Don't stop.
If you want to check out Hggsfield, you can use the link in the video description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.